Your claim to fame now. It does look good with the coaches though, doesn't it?
It does, yeah. As I finishes it off. So you're happy with your purchase?
Well, actually, it's from years ago. I've only just got it running.
Ah.
I've dug it out from, you know, clearing out the house and...
When it goes in this tunnel, you can see it through there.
All right. Excellent.
Actually got a bit of a rate now going, have you? Still actually got a bit of a rate going now.
Yeah, we have. It's the gentleman's. He's just bought it in that, but yeah, we've now got it going a bit faster now.
Yeah.
He's trying to play games.
There we go.
Yeah, I was just outside talking to some of the guys that do Guauge. I was outside talking to some of the guys that do Guauge and saying, how would you spend that much on something?
Yes, well, this is it.
He's like, yeah, how much do you think like this 2-car Pannier set me back? And I went, 700 quid, grand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's just the engine.
Yeah. It's like, what?
Yep. It's frightening how when you spend something like that, just like, but when you sit there and tell it, oh my gosh, how much have I spent for what I've got for my money? And when you look at things like that, it's no, I can't.
Because I've spent quite a bit. I mean, I think just over 3 grand. I mean, that's over like nearly 4 years.
Yeah.
So.
But see, buying it in bits and pieces.
Yeah. I only buy in bulk when I
it.
find a job lot that's like 30 quid with like 5 wagons.
No.
Yeah.
Other than that, it's like I will buy this thing for this month, and next month I'll buy this.
Yep.
And if you're lucky, what you're going to buy the second once it's cheaper than when it goes a month.
Yeah.
It always is. Always
Because
is.
I've nearly, sometime in May, I was going to buy a K1, Thompson K1. And I was looking on Kerno and there was like 85 quid and I was like, I'll hold up for another 3 days. Wait till the Mayday sales come out and see if it's like that. Then TMC put out K1 for like 65 quid and it's like, I'm enough.
Yep. So glad I waited. So glad.
It's got an RRP of like nearly 150 quid and it's like...
The lights are not making a difference, it's not the focus, is it?